Okay, so let's take a look real quick at the web interface for the FoMaKo K600N. And this is it here. And let me just put in the standard password, admin, and it takes us to, and it wants us to change the password, which is good. And it takes us to this page here. And what you can see here is kind of a shortened, it's missing a couple of things. So that's what I wanted to share with you here. Depending on the screen, 1080p, let's see if I can change this a little bit and get a little bit larger screen in the display settings. It's 150%, so let's take that down to 100%. And as you can see, for me, it gets a little bit small, but that's all right for now. So now when we open this up, what we see is, especially in AI tracking, are some additional menu items. So my problem before was I couldn't find this two pair, and the only thing I had was the monocular tracking, but I didn't have the option of choosing that. When I change the screen settings a little bit, it brings that up, and you can see that, and you can see that there's more settings there. So I'm going to talk about these, and I'm going to turn this human frame back on, because during auto tracking, that will be an issue if you are using NDI.